Good morning children and parents. Welcome to class 1 maths revision class. Today we are going to revise the topics we have already learned. So let's start revising one by one. Question number 9. Name the shapes. Here are some shapes given and you have to identify them. It is a triangle. It is a rectangle. It is a square. And this is a circle. 10th question is addition. Here is the first question. First we will add ones and ones, then tens and tens, then hundreds. Okay. Now 2 plus 7, 9. 0 plus 9, 9. 9 itself, so 9 will be writing here. So the answer is 999. Second question. Again ones. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 3, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. So here is the answer 998. Okay. Now this one. Again ones and ones. 1 plus 3, 4. And 8 plus 7, 15. So 5 will be writing here and 1 will be carrying over here. So 1 plus 4, 5 plus 5, 10. So this will be the answer. Next one. Ones and ones. 7 plus 6, 13. You are carrying over 1 here. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. Again carrying over 1 here. So 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Next is subtraction. Here is the first question. The ones, tens and hundreds you have to subtract it. Okay. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 0, 8. And 3 minus 2, 1. So this is the answer. Next one. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. Okay. Now next one. Here the 6 is smaller. So we have to borrow 110 from here. So it will be 16. And 6 will be here. So 16 minus 8, 8. Now 6 minus 0, 6. Now 8 minus 5, 3. Okay. Now next. Here also 8 is smaller. So you will be borrowing 110 from here. So 4 will be remaining here. So 18 minus 9 is 9. 4 minus 2, 2. Now 9 minus 6, 3. So this will be the answer. If you want, you can check the answers also. What you have to do? The answer 183 plus the second number 206. Then when you add it, you should get the first number, the biggest number. If you are getting it, then your answer is correct. 3 plus 6, 9. 8 plus 0, 8. 1 plus 2, 3. So you got here 389 and the first biggest number is 389. So your answer is correct. You can check it with all these numbers. Okay. Next question. Problems based on addition. Here is the question. An ice cream shop sold 45 strawberry ice creams and 37 chocolate ice creams. How many ice creams did the shop sell altogether? Here children, the key word is altogether. That means you have to do the addition. Now, statement. First statement. Number of strawberry ice creams. It is written here 45 strawberry ice creams. So you will write 45 here. Now next statement. Number of chocolate ice creams. It is given here 37 chocolate ice creams. So you will write here 37. Okay, now we have to find out number of ice creams sold altogether. That means 45 plus 37. So you can work out here 45 plus 37, 5 plus 7, 12. 1 is carrying over here. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 3, 8. So the answer will be 82. Next example. Ammu had 83 marbles and her mother gave her 17 marbles more. Find the total number of marbles she has now. Here the key word is total. So you have to do the addition. You have to write the statements also. The first statement will be number of marbles Ammu had. She had 83 marbles. So you will write here 83. Now second statement, number of marbles her mother gave. Her mother gave her 17 marbles. So you will write here 17. Now we have to find out total number of marbles she has now. That is 83 plus 17 is equal to. So 83 plus 17. First you add the ones. 3 plus 7, 10. 1 will be carrying over here. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. So the answer will be 100. Question number 13. Problems based on subtraction. Here is the question. In a farm, there were 916 animals. The farmer sold 403 animals. How many animals are left in the farm now? Here the key word is left. That means you have to do the subtraction. Now write the statements. Number of animals in the farm. That is 916. Now number of animals he sold. It is here 403. Okay. Now we have to find out number of animals left in the farm. That means 916 minus 403. We can work it out. 916 minus 403. 6 minus 3, 3. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. So the answer will be 513. Okay. Next question. There are 195 fishes in a pond. A fisherman caught 17 fishes from the pond. How many fishes are remaining in the pond? Here the keyword remaining. That means you have to do the subtraction. Okay. Now you write the statements. Number of fishes in the pond. It is given there 195. Now next statement. Number of fishes he caught. It is 17 fishes. So you will write here 17. Now we have to find out number of fishes remaining in the pond. That means you have to do the subtraction. 195 minus 17. 195 minus 17. So 5 is smaller, so you borrow from here 15. 15 minus 7, 8. Now here it is 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 1 you will be writing here. So the answer will be 178. Okay. Students, please revise whatever we have done today. The worksheets related to the topics will be uploaded in the school website. You can go through them and practice. Thank you.